What's the title of our experiment today? Our experiment. What's the title of our notes today?
7-3.
And Peyton, what can we now do?
I can find unknown angles in triangles.
A triangle sum theorem states what, Jacob?
It states that the triangles from sum theorem states that the sum measures all three angles equal 180 degrees.
So if you take a triangle and you add up all three angles, they should total 180 degrees, correct? Okay, and then in acute triangle, the biggest problem with our definitions are our remembering of these different triangles. Acute triangle has 3 acute angles. Obtuse triangle also has 3 acute angles. True or false?
False.
I know I went really fast. Let me repeat. An acute triangle has 3 acute angles, just like an obtuse triangle has 3 obtuse angles.
False.
False. An obtuse triangle cannot have more than 1 obtuse angle. Otherwise, you'd have way more than 180 degrees, right?
Okay.
So obtuse triangles have 1 obtuse angle, and the rest would be acute. Acute triangle has all acute, and a right triangle has how many right angles?
1.
What are the other 2 angles? Huh?
Acute.
Acute. And by the way, these are Peyton's notes because I crashed. That's why equilateral is spelled incorrectly. Thanks, Peyton. Equilateral triangle, all angles are equal, all sides are equal as well. Isosceles, 2 of the angles and 2 of the sides are equal. Scalene, nothing is equal for sides or angles. Please scroll. Triangle sum theorem. Because we have 62 and because we have 23, we know that M is going to be, is it 95?
Yeah.
95 degrees because of the fact that if you add all of these up together, they're going to equal 180. Scroll, please. Okay, let me erase this. Another example of the triangle sum theorem with an isosceles triangle. Please scroll. You can look at your notes for that one. Keep scrolling. Can you zoom in just a tiny bit on that? Another example of the triangle sum theorem. This time we gave you variables with coefficients in front. Add them all together equals 180. Solve algebraically. Nothing brand new here. Please scroll. Where's the last example? Oh, I'm sorry. This is the last example. So I did want to talk about this one. Okay. These are going to be probably your most challenging, in which they give you the angle measures in words, and you have to determine what they are. In this case, it looks like Peyton drew a triangle, and then labeled each of his angles with the description given above, and then used algebra to solve, and gave his answer for all 3 of the angles. Again, all of you have those in your notes. Triangle sum theorem, all angles equal 180. Questions, quandaries, quibbles, quotes, or queries? Okay.